Today guys, today, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this sucker on right quick. This right here is a Sikky sway bar, guys. Link for everything that they make and the sway bar, obviously, for an S14. They do make S13 ones as well, but the link for all this stuff will be in the description. Currently the car does not have any sway bar. That's because if you guys put like a big engine or just an engine swap in general, usually your stock sway bar won't really fit unless you get or make some brackets or adapter brackets to make it work. But here we have this really nice one. We're just gonna go ahead and dive in. Oh, hey now, some Sikky merch, shout out. Oh, hey now, I see something else, bro. Oh, look at how, damn, we still got something else in here. Oh, they hooked it up, bro. Woohoo! Sikky coming in clutch, bro. We got two different kind of shirts here. Shout out, man, that's freaking awesome. Woo! Woo! It's kind of huge. All right, I mean it's big. It needs to be washed still. I'm not gonna wear it right now, but appreciate it. We also got the goodie bag. Check this out. We got the goodie bag. UV. Shirley. Some real heady stickers, and then we got a little koozies to keep our beverage warm. Now we just need a beverage. All right, so here is kind of what we're here for. You know what I mean? This is our sway bar. So it's 34 mil thick. So this is a big boy, much thicker than the factory one. Let's see what else they include. Oh, bro, we got another one. Can never have enough koozies, man. So this comes with everything you need. Adjustable end links is what these are. So we got adjustable end links. We got some hardware. We have whole new bushings and brackets, which is actually pretty cool. I didn't think that they would come with these, so that's a win. Woo, man! It's pretty cool. This box also has a dual purpose. We have a work mat we can lay on. Check this out. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. All right, guys. I'm gonna try and make this kind of install procedure as kind of straightforward and simple as I can make it for you guys. First thing you want to go ahead and do is oh, as my change falls out, you're gonna go ahead and want to grab your end links. We're gonna install these first. All right, well the first thing you want to head and do is remove your factory sway bar. Now there's end links on your control arms. You're gonna go ahead and remove all of it, all the bushings, all the rubber pieces, all of it. So once you have your factory sway bar off, take your end link and you take and insert essentially right where the factory one went. If I can find this hole here, right? There she be. You want to make sure that the U bracket, the U portion right here, is parallel with your tension rod. So we're gonna go ahead and lightly tighten this down now. All right, guys. So we got both of them just lightly in place. As you guys may be able to see, we're gonna go ahead and grab these bushings and go ahead and grease them up now. Comes with everything you need too, by the way. Check that out. Grease and everything. So grease up your bushings, slide them on the bar, and go ahead and get that mocked up. All right, so well, first of all, she in there, she installed, real green. Let me show you guys how we did this, because it's probably a little bit easier to go through it after it's installed. Okay, now we're all upside down and everything, so sorry about that. So we have our end links. Now there are instructions. I'll go ahead and link those as well in the description if you guys are interested. But I guess just quick little rundown. Once you have everything bolted in, you can flip this bar upside down and like reverse it just so you can get the clearance that you need, because one way it fit for me and one way it didn't. So we had to just kind of mess with that a little bit. Everything comes with new hardware. We have a little spacer that goes inside here that actually adds as like a little leveling, because there's like a huge little drop down there. Our end links, we basically got those preloaded to at ride height, so get the car on the ground. Well, I put mine on cinder blocks, and we went ahead and essentially bolted them to where they want to sit, just at a standard level. Everything is at a point to where it's not going to bind, so make sure all your Heim joints and all that stuff is nice and parallel to the U brackets and all that good stuff. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It did take a little bit of time just because there's a lot of bolts and hardware to tighten that's like not as easy to get to as you may think. So leave everything loose until you're finished. And again, guys, there's instructions, so it's pretty damn straightforward. It really wasn't hard at all. It's a one-man job. You guys can do this with basic hand tools, and it's pretty damn simple. So again, guys, go ahead and make sure to check them out. If you guys are interested, grab one yourself. I'm sure it's going to absolutely change the game as Skyline. I'm sure it's going to help out handling and stuff like that as well. But yeah, just a quick little install video for you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy.